Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to repair cheap Chinese mobile charger. This one, nothing written on it, no output voltage. So it gives 5 volt 2 ampere output. So let's see its behavior. Let me show you by connecting it to the series board. As you can see that it's slightly turned on. When I connect it to the load, as you can see that it's turning off and on again and again and not providing constant voltage and current. So let's figure it out what's the problem. As you can see that this main 400 volt capacitor is bulky. Pull the circuit out. On the other hand, none of the component is damaged. All the other components seems good. So let's replace this. It's 10 microfarad 400 volt capacitor. So let's replace it and check. Don't touch the primary side after disconnected from the main power. Let's first check the voltage on the main capacitor. You can see that it's only charged to 28 volts, so it's safe. So let's remove it. Now the new capacitor is replaced. So let's check the charger, if it's working or not. Now let's test it. Charger is turned on. As you can see that the blue light is turned on and it's charging now. Yes, the charger is fixed. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next video. Please like, share and subscribe.